GÉOS is a consulting company working in environment and geotechnical field. We support our clients in trying to understand the field they've been working and are constructing their projects. So we do field surveys, we collect samples, we bring it in our offices. We have a lab to take testing on the samples we take, and then we analyze that and we provide recommendations to our clients so they decide to go ahead or modify their projects to respect the guidelines and the law enforced here in the province of Quebec in Canada. We have many types of clients. We have many ways of managing our project as well. We have also many requests that come from our clients, the way they want to be billed. So we needed a system that was really flexible. Before, we had 3 different systems. And in fact, I can say 5 because we had 5 companies, and even we had one system that was used for 3 of the companies, but they were not talking to each other.
Le but premier de l'implantation de ce système-là, c'était de joindre l'ensemble des compagnies et l'ensemble des services dans un même logiciel pour être capable d'avoir un suivi global sur l'ensemble de l'entreprise dans un seul endroit.
So it was really an issue for us to having everybody working together, having the same project number, for example. It meant for us that administrative staff have to work a lot with spreadsheets and moving numbers and bringing it back financially. So it was really a pain for us and required a lot of time, but also it made the possibility to have many errors. We started working with BSP and Zoho.
BSP is a certified support partner for Zoho. We're located in Canada, and we make tailored applications for our clients using the Zoho suite. The clients approached us telling us about their challenges about streamlining all the project management parts of the project management. So we help them with Creator because it's allowed them to streamline everything from time tracking of the projects until the invoicing, tracking of the expenses of the projects, and also the payroll parts.
So Creator was like a blank page, and that could, with the help of BSP, that could help us really create what we needed. So when we started to implement Creator, that's the first thing that was easily accepted by our staff.
Before using Zoho Creator, one of the things that was problematic for me as a project manager was having different tools and different formats, different programs to follow essentially what was one project. What Zoho has allowed us to do is to unify all of those aspects into one tool and streamline our project management.
So the first part of the application is the submission process and how we convert it to project management. So we ensure that it's the transition is seamless, and so that the client goes from having a submission to an active project management. So the next one is the time logs. So the employees can log in their time through detailed timesheets, ensuring a very detailed and good time tracking of the projects.
Ça a rendu mon suivi de projet puis des heures vraiment plus facile. Maintenant, tous les employés, je vois leurs heures qui vont directement dans les projets, les budgets qui descendent en temps réel, la facturation qui se fait pratiquement automatique, puisque toutes les heures, toutes les dépenses sont déjà affectées. Les logiciels, ils se parlent bien ensemble, fait que j'ai plus besoin de faire de retranscription ou justement de faire... il y a une possibilité d'erreur qu'on n'a plus maintenant sur certains aspects. C'est vraiment plus facile.
And we also developed an approval, very dynamic approval system. So this goes through all the roles and the profiles within the organization. And so this ensures that all the time logs, projects, all the invoicing goes through the right approval channels before proceeding.
Dans le fond, en ce moment, les systèmes qu'on utilise sont basés sur... On a plusieurs petits systèmes qui sont des logiciels ou des bases de données qui sont dans Access ou Excel. Alors, le but, ça va être de toutes les jumeler ensemble pour avoir un seul système qui va être en mesure de combiner des données puis d'éviter de faire des doublons. Donc, de redondance entre les bases de données pour que tout le monde se parle. Mais avec Zoho Creator, on va réussir à tout mettre ensemble puis sans dédoubler les informations au day-to-day.
Implementing this ERP help us better understand our own business. We're happy with, selected Zoho Creator because we're able to really be flexible to our project managers, but also to our clients.